Finding the courage to change, opening the blinds. Before sunlight can shine through a window, the blinds must be raised. That's an American proverb. My mother described herself as a very private person. The blinds in her house were always drawn. It was so dark in her home that it was physically uncomfortable for me to visit her. Sometimes in the dark, something small can cast a huge, scary shadow. With the blinds open and the light on, the object returns to its true size. I can laugh at how scared I was of such a little object. When I struggle with the idea of looking closely at my character defects, I remind myself of how much better I feel with the blinds open. When I become willing to shine some light onto my defects, I frequently discover a new point of view. Sometimes something that I see as a defect isn't a defect at all. It's a positive quality that I've been misusing. When I put the quality to proper use, it's like discovering a hidden superpower. Every quality can be misused. Sometimes in an argument, my husband calls me the bulldog. It's hard for me to let go of the issue. I've learned to laugh because my bulldog quality is also a superpower when I use it for good purposes. Sometimes I just need to find a better use for my character defects. What patterns of behavior or thought do I have that are actually good patterns hiding in plain view? I think I'll open the blinds and find out.